My son sacrificed his life to save me. These powers are not a gift, but a curse. Born out of rage. Sono till them.
This loose cannon needs to be locked down before innocent people start getting hurt.
He's been asleep for 5,000 years.
You find us a cell that can hold him, we'll take care of the rest.
Who's on the team?
I didn't bring a passport.
We don't need passports. We're the Justice Society.
There's a war going on outside we ain't safe from.
Black Adam.
We're here to negotiate your peaceful surrender.
Heard about at least 3 killings this afternoon.
I'm not peaceful. Nor do I surrender. Here we go. I kneel before no one.
You didn't come here to seek justice. You came to exact revenge.
Too much enemy fire to catch a friend.
I never said I was a hero.
Giving you respect, I expect the same thing.
You believe you are not worthy. But fate does not make mistakes.
I'm fighting for you. There's a war going on outside we ain't safe from.
You have two paths. You can be the destroyer of this world. Or you can be its savior. My son sacrificed his life to save me. These powers are not a gift, but a curse. Born out of rage. Sono till them.
This loose cannon needs to be locked down before innocent
So
people
you
start
found the
getting
man
hurt.
in black, but don't be fooled, mortal.
asleep for
I'm as
5,000
powerful here
years.
in the Roblox metaverse as I am in the
Cell that
real
can hold
world.
him, we'll take care of the rest.
There's no one in this Roblox experience that can stop me, and yet these fools try to imprison me. Let's show them.
We're the Justice Society.
There's a war going on.
Thanks for your help, child. Don't forget to see my Black Adam movie in theaters October 21st. Oh, so you desire a free shirt. They always want a free shirt. Have a free shirt.
Born out of rage. Sûrement
This loose cannon needs to be locked down before innocent people start getting hurt.
He's been asleep for 5,000 years.
You find us a cell that can hold him, we'll take care of the rest.